this video, I will show you how to fix keeps dropping calls on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, reinsert SIM card, remove SIM tray. After remove SIM tray, clean. After cleaning again, insert SIM tray. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management and click on reset network settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue, click on reset. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.